Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you how a single workshop transformed my perspective on photography. So grab a seat and let's see where this adventure takes us. As a photographer steeped in tradition, I learned the importance of capturing subject with precision. And as a result, I developed a strong foundation in the craft. But this all changed after attending a workshop called The Art of Impressionist Photography. This workshop opened my eyes to a new style of photography and was a turning point in my creative journey. I was surprised to learn that Impressionist photography was all about breaking the rules and letting go of technicalities. The focus was on capturing the emotions and feelings of the moment. I was blown away by the images I saw in the workshop. These dreamy, painterly photographs had a unique and evocative effect that made me want to learn more. I was fascinated and excited. I was eager to expand my knowledge. However, when I tried to put into practice what I had learned, I found myself struggling. I was at a loss for what to photograph and how to go about it. I felt frustrated and couldn't believe that my camera was the only tool I needed to make these new masterpieces. In my prior experience with traditional photography, the goal was to depict the subject precisely. But with Impressionist photography, the aim was to capture a specific feeling or experience. At first, I found it challenging to understand this concept, but I refused to give up. I was ready to step outside my comfort zone and explore new possibilities. I was excited to see how I could use my camera to express myself differently. I was determined to learn how to create these dreamy, painterly images. So I let go of all the traditional photography concept and rules and gave myself permission to try new things. This was the most liberating experience. I found myself enjoying shooting photographs more than I ever had before. I discovered new possibilities and ways of expressing myself through photography. That evening after the workshop, as I went through my photos, I was struck by the realization that not only had I learned new techniques, but for the first time, I was able to truly express myself creatively through photography. The dreamy, painterly effect of the images was incredibly captivating, and I was proud of what I had achieved. From that moment on, I never looked back. I was hooked on Impressionist photography and the creative freedom it offered me. I was amazed by what I could create with my camera and imagination. Going to that workshop was a turning point in my photography journey. It changed my usual way of doing things. The experience pushed me out of my comfort zone and challenged my traditional image capture approach. I love every minute of my journey as an Impressionist photographer. The challenges I faced only made me appreciate the art of photography even more. This workshop opened up a whole new world of techniques and possibilities for me. It allowed me to see the world in a new way and get creative with my shots. The art of Impressionist photography has helped me to discover my true passion and has given me the freedom to express myself through my photographs. It has elevated my photography skills and has allowed me to create images that are personal, unique, and meaningful to me. It allowed me to be more creative and spontaneous. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn about this style of photography and I am excited to continue exploring and discovering new possibilities and telling stories through images in my own way. I hope my story will inspire you to explore different photography styles and techniques and let your creativity flow. Remember, there are no rules, no mistakes, only new possibilities and new discoveries. So go ahead and experiment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.